Angels, Nessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. Today I'm here with a Happy Meal video from Miss Karen Bellinger. And I literally covered up all the addresses and whatnot. But I love this tulip and I want this for a book. So I pre-opened it, so we're going to open to see what's inside. Oops. And she has the same one on the back, so I'm going to reuse that. First thing I see is a card with some little handmade flowers on it. I love that. We'll see. And it's a card that, oh, I like the way she did that. And it's a tag. This is cute with a little butterfly on top with some bling on it. Let me read this. You're very welcome, Miss Karen. And I see a handmade flower here. Let's remove that. It has some crochet doilies here, some tulle, and another crocheted doily on the bottom. That'll come in handy. Now, we have some pink tissue paper here. Oh my gosh. If you can see my face right now, I don't believe this. I saw this in one of her videos, and I remember her asking me for my address, but I didn't believe she would send me this gorgeous looking heart. And it's a wall hanging. It's got a little tassel with butterflies and a heart bling down at the bottom. And pink. Pink seam binding. White eyelash trim. Here's a white butterfly with some bling on it. We got a little flower here. A little tulip. Oh, I love this trim. Oh my god. I gotta find this. I gotta find this dainty little trim here. Isn't that cute? Let me see if I can get it at a better angle. Let's do it like that. Look at that, how cute. I gotta find that. Then we have this trim. Oh my god. The laces and trims on here are gorgeous, Miss Karen. And she has some trim all the way around the heart on the front. She's got some lace. Some more of that little flower trim here. And she's got some flower appliques. A big old bling applique down here. She's got some little tulips in hiding. A little rosebud down here. Some more flowers up here. This is all flowers. This is silk flowers. There's some more flowers here. Here's almost like a poinsettia here. Here's another little applique flower here. Oh, this is gorgeous. I love the fabric that she used on the bottom. Then we flip it over. It's a wall hanging. Whoops. And it says handcrafted by Karen with a little butterfly here. We got a little satin ribbon for the hanger. And she's got some flowers, some more flower appliques. And then looks like batting in the side and some lace fabric here. This is gorgeous. There's some ruffled trim going around. Thank you so much, Miss Karen. I will hang this on my wall of inspiration. And this will probably go with it, along with the card. I'll probably hang all this together. I want to thank you so much for this. I'm going to wrap it back in here so it doesn't, nothing gets lost. I'm going to put it back in its bag. So when I go to work, when I finish up my craft room, I will hang this on my wall because I'm going to be doing my entire craft room. So Well, if I can put it back in the way she put it in, I'll get it in there somehow. She's got it in nice packaging. She's got it in bubble wrap packaging. See that? So I'm going to say this in closing. Um, please like, comment, and share. And if you haven't already, hit that big red subscribe button down below and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell next to the subscribe button and ring that bell to get notified of when I upload new content, when I go live, or when I do a premiere. So, in ending, as my little spiel, as I always say, be crafty, be happy, stay crafty, be safe, stay safe. Happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget, and I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Thank you again for this beautiful heart, Miss Karen. Bye-bye for now, crafty angels.